We bring greetings of peace, of love, and of blessings. This is Queen Mother Kujan of the Yirswariyar Hatswar Kingdom. I would like to bring the non address that we bring to fertility progress of the peoples and also to give the information concerning the headquarters. As some of you may know, our headquarters have been moved to San Diego City, and this was done in the best interest of the peoples. So before I continue any further, I would like to respectfully address the peoples at this time. En till det bäst ges vad är det, Bendon songs Kinsaterman of the Hebrew tribe, the landbards, the falsors, the logos, the Revambans, the Zenbaru, Yados Ithans, the peoples of Great Ethiopia, to the Harsa Kingdom, the headquarters of Advanced Benyan Sutherland. As I stated before, this is the Queen Mother of the Yirswariyar Hafsa, and there were so many new programs that we have integrated, and I would like to get into those programs, if I may, at this time. To the International Board, the World Council Headquarters, to the Objectors Trust, to the Board of Trustees, to the World Council Powers, to the Secretariat Director, to the Secretariat Trust Accounts, and to the General Meeting of the Boards, I greet you. Some of the things that we have integrated are things that is very important. Some of you may have noticed the Constitution has been amended, and we would like to appreciate the headship for that. Some of the things that we are going to be speaking about is concerning the purpose, interest of the thing, gaining wisdom and insight, receiving instructions and prudent behavior, doing what is right and just and it is fair. If you may, I would like to repeat that again. Doing what is right, what is just, and what is fair. For the fear of the Creator of all things, the beginning of knowledge. We are committed to the peoples. We make them better and stronger, to live a better life. And that commitment will not stop. No matter what it is that we face, that commitment will not stop. We appreciate the peoples with a great sense of belonging. We appreciate their being, their leadership. We appreciate the people standing by us. Therefore, we will stand by you. We would like to get off into some of the programs that we have integrated for the peoples. Chilipati Yirswariyar by the Honorable Benyan Sutherland, from the Ward Councillor, from the board members to each and every one of you. I would like to inform you that each of you concerning many of the programs and the accounts, the first thing we would like to say is that the DNA database program, it is going very well. We had no intentions for it to be taken off somewhere the way that it has, but it has gone very well. The support from the peoples is absolutely beautiful. So from the bottom of my heart, I thank each of you for your prayers, for your support, and how you have actually rallied around us to get this thing done. With the DNA database, so many people have came to our rescue. And that is because so many believe into the program. And I am so very grateful because it is important to remember that the country that you was born in and the country that you live within do not say who you really are. So that is so important for the peoples to understand that. Many have found out their roots, many have found out who they really was, and they have found out that their bloodline did not stop just at their mother, father, and grandparents, but they have a deeper purpose that many have not even begun to see. So we are so thankful for the DNA database program, all of those that have supported it. We have gained worldwide support, even from government officials, presidents, king and queens. And for that we are grateful to each of you and also to each of the members of our board. I would like to say that that is important because we are real. You know, the Al-Hassad Kingdom, the Bethel Israel, we are a real people. Uh, and we work very hard on the behalf of the peoples. And we do for the peoples. You know, we are down the earth peoples, even though we have authority. We use that authority to be a help to the peoples and to make sure that each person know who they are. They are comfortable with who they are, and they are capable of functioning within what they was created to do. The other thing I would like to speak about is the Constitution of the Kingdom. It has been adapted and it has been amended. Amendments has been made to our Constitution. We now have our own flag. We have our own Constitution. We have our own coats of arms. We have our own seal. And for that, we are very thankful and grateful for our headquarters. We also want to talk about the program that we had called the Pentecostal Welfare Program. We have adapted and we have our own welfare department, which means we take care of our peoples. The Pentecostal Welfare Program is a program that helps pay for the rent, the utility bills, the school, the education, transportation. We help our peoples to get cards, to get jobs, to get clothing, to get things that they need to sustain life. We help with food and sometimes with the medical bills. So it is very wonderful to announce to you that we have opened up our very own Pentecostal welfare program. And it is a program where our peoples can keep their dignity and they can go and apply for assistance through us and we would support you and take care of you. This is a program that started in 1965 by my mother. And I am so very grateful that we now have this program within the Beth Israel Hesed. And we are grateful for the hard work and dedication of the men and the women that have helped us to make it possible. The other thing we like to speak about, of course, is the Constitution Amendment. It reflects all of these changes. The Constitution Amendments reflects the protections of women and children and their families and all other peoples. I will say that again. Our Constitution has been amended. It's been amended to protect your rights as a person, to protect you from abuse, being hurt, or being stepped on. We have amended the Constitution to reflect those things. And for that, we are grateful for such wonderful leadership that has allowed us as a people to live again, to love again, and to be loved, which is a wonderful honor. I hope that I've answered some of the questions concerning the Constitution, the Banner program. Many of you have called and asked about the program. I wanted to make sure that those programs have been integrated and everyone understands exactly what those programs detail. If there's any more questions that I can ask concerning our Constitution, the amendments of that, please feel free to let me know. I do not have control over my pages. There is someone who takes that effort with me. Um, but whatever you send in, I'm sure that she will let me know that I have messages, and I will address every question because every question is important to us. This is Queen Mother of the Yes Bets Villarreal's hats on, and we appreciate each and every one of you. We bring peace, love, and blessings. So long.